Welcome back, beauties. To get my hair straightened and trimmed, I'm starting with freshly deep conditioned hair. I did clarify my hair 2 days ago, so there's no need to shampoo. For heat protection, I have Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Protectant Spray. I mist my hair from roots to ends, ends to roots, and then use a wide tooth comb to detangle. I've had this blow dryer on my wants list for some time now. It is the Red by Kiss Ceramic Styler. And honestly, after my first time using it, I do prefer this over a regular blow dryer, because with the blow dryer, you gotta have a brush or at least a comb in your hand. And my coordination skills aren't as good as they used to be. And I bought this with my own money. This video is not sponsored by anybody. Everything in here I paid for with my own money. The dryer comes with 3 pieces. There's a brush, a wide tooth comb, and a smaller comb. I first go in with the wide tooth comb on medium heat, and then once I'm satisfied with the texture, I go in with the smaller comb on high heat. I did this for the lower back portion of my hair, and then for the rest of my hair, I just decided to use high heat. This is my hair shred that I got just from detangling and using my blow dryer. To straighten, I have my Avanti Nano Silver. I purchased this well over 7 years ago, so unfortunately I do not know where I got it from, but let me tell you, it is still working nice and strong. For extra protection, I'm using Chi Silk Infusion Hair Serum, just using a little bit for each section, working my way from the ends all the way up. I detangle one more time with my wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to be using the chase method to straighten my hair. And the setting I'm using is 375 degrees. The results, yes, I was on cloud 10. The thickness from roots to ends compared to last year is such a major difference. Now you guys know I had a big chop last year this time because my hair it wasn't even, there was some damage. But just to see it now looking like this, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for next year. It got me super excited. I only straighten, I only blow dry, I only put heat on my hair once a year just so I can get my major trim. Before I trim, I want to show you guys the difference from last year to today's date. Last year my ends were really damaged and I had to chop off a lot, which is what caused me to do my second big chop, and it grew back a lot. This is why I was really happy. Now I know my hair is not bone straight, and that is to my liking. I do not like my hair bone straight. Like I said, I only do this once a year. I don't need to put a lot of heat on my head, which is why I keep my setting at 375, even though my straightener goes all the way up to 425. I'm not about that life. MTL Barber is a man who did my second big chop for me last year, so of course I was coming back to sit in his chair for this trim. As long as I am in Montreal, he will be cutting my hair. So if you guys are in Montreal, hit up MTL Barber. Last year, September 2017, my second big chop, and now October 2018. Look at me now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.